So we're actually 2 steps ahead of you.
2 steps ahead of me. Let me ask you one thing. I've got 36 locations in 3 states. Does your new operator have experience?
I think this is his first laundry facility. This is Morella. How may I help you?
Morella, my name is Danny. I'm looking at some commercial space. I would love to discuss a potential lease.
Okay, what kind of business are you looking to open?
I'm in the coin laundry business. Been doing that a long time.
So the only shopping center we have, we already have a coin laundry.
That's why I'm calling.
He's all over the place. 900 feet up to 1,300 feet. What an asshole.
Okay.
So are you the agent?
No, I'm the area manager for the management company that's over that.
Even better. When your phone rings and you have someone potentially looking for empty space, you ask them what type of business they're in, and then if that's a perfect fit, we move forward. In my case, I'm always looking at laundry space, especially stores that are underperforming with very, very old equipment. When the time comes, I'm interested in talking lease terms in that space and basically becoming a better tenant. I'm not here to toss out your current operator, but a lot of these laundromats are just kind of run very haphazardly, like you might imagine. And this isn't a sales call, I've been in the store several times. Oh, you're fine.
So we're actually 2 steps ahead of you. The current tenant is a non-renewal, and there's a new tenant going in that's also Coin Laundromat that's going to put in new equipment. So we're already doing that there.
2 steps ahead of me. Well, I'm probably 2 days late as well. Let me ask you one thing.
No, you're months late.
Let me ask you one thing. Does this, and you can tell me to pound sand, but I'm looking out for you, to be honest. I've got 36 locations in 3 states. Does your new operator have experience?
I think this is his first laundry facility.
Yeah.
I know, but this guy doing the flying has no airline experience at all. He's a menace to himself and everything else in the air. Yes, birds too. Okay.
But the lease has already been signed.
No, I know. Like I said, I could just say thank you very much and hang up, but it's kind of my thing to continue becoming an ambassador no matter what.
Elaine, you're a member of this crew. Can you face some unpleasant facts?
No.
If they're brand new to the business, they'll probably spend too much on equipment, and you might end up they'll end up in a bad spot. Either way, I would love to send you an email. Keep me in second position. Let me know what happens. I'm making a dozen of these calls today, so it's not as though it's gee whiz, this is the only store in the area. What's the best email address?
At fgmc.net.
Brilliant. Got it. God bless. If you come across another laundry with infrastructure, let me know. We don't build from scratch because I see that as another recipe for disaster. Thanks, Morella.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Why is she so bitchy? Can you explain it to me? Like, why is she so bitchy? I can't understand. What? Yeah, my email's Danny@freeonline.com. Didn't you hear me? Danny@freeonline.com. It's my email. I noticed you didn't write anything down. You couldn't hear her.
No. I was struggling in the beginning. Is it F or is it G? So, right. And then I was like,
we're supposed to know. You're supposed to know all that. How dare you not know? And it's just a waste of her time to have to talk to us. Oh, you're 2 steps behind. Well, sorry that I didn't call 4 months ago.
Mm-hmm.
We've been calling you for a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
And you heard me ask, do they have experience? No.
Yeah.
So these dipshits are going to go out. God knows what they paid in rent. Probably too much. Did they get a year free? No.
Right there, if I'm not mistaken, it's $2. I don't know if they give it. Yes.
Oh, I hate to laugh.
I checked that.
But what we're seeing here is someone who's going to come in here not know what they're doing, spend all the money on equipment, probably turn it into a card reader store, and they'll be f***ed in 8 months. So keep an eye on it, and we'll call her back. I'll send an email.
Yes.
Ciao.
Yes. All right, thanks.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.